Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to install XAMPP in PHP. Start using the XAMPP and the PHP. First thing is you need to have XAMPP. XAMPP is a simulator of a local server. So for PHP you need Apache. To use PHP and its databases, you will need the MySQL. You can install everything, every module, but these two are the most needed. Then you just open a browser, search for XAMPP. It will appear the first one. You click download for Windows or anything you have. It will start downloading. Then you install it. It's very easy, very fast. Right? You don't need to be careful with the being and such things being installed, but because it will not try, I think. Then once you have it, you start the both Apache and MySQL. Then search for localhost. Oh! You don't know location. Localhost. Here, localhost. You have some pages, some folders that are created, and some other folders that come by default. That's Windows E. Then you put this PC, local disk, XAMPP, htdocs. In here, like this one, those three are mine, are not from the installation. Then in here, every time you want to create something, you just create a folder and then you create an index.php. Let me show you. Here, then you create a new text document called index.php, otherwise it will not be PHP. Other thing I wanted to show you is that first time you install it, you will reach the localhost in here, right? And it will be blank. You cannot see anything, right? Anything. You cannot see our folders to open it. So I personally delete this index.php that will start on, and you just reload the page and it will start working. After that, you shall want to start using the PHP. To use the PHP, let's open our Visual Studio Code. In our Visual Studio Code, I will just create a new here named My Online PHP Classes, because everything to be using PHP need to be in the local server or in a server, of course, but I have no money to pay it for XAMPP. XAMPP is very good. Then you drag the My PHP folder to the workspaces. Add this workspace folder. You trust? Yes, I trust. Then you just can create from here the new file index.php, and here you can start using PHP. So you can start. I will teach you better. You start with the question mark PHP, then we question mark and close. Then you put echo. You can put hello. Close it, save it. Then we reload the page, because to PHP we will need to reload the page ourselves. We will not be able to use the go live because we cannot. Then we just go to the My PHP Online classes, and here we go. We are already using the PHP. Things that may help you, such as extensions. So PHP. If you search for PHP, the PHP debug can be good, very useful. I don't use it because I don't debug. I use little texts, right? the PHP elephants, IntelliFants, right? It helps you a lot if you have some trouble seeing the code. It will add some colors, add some suggestions, right? Imagine you are using the PHP IDE. I'm using the Visual Studio Code, so it will help a lot. And the rest it's not useful. So, the next videos will be about PHP. If you have any doubt in here, any question, you can put in the comments. Click in the video. It will be very useful, very nice. It will help you to improve your abilities. And thank you guys, and see you soon.